Alright guys, welcome back. So today we're talking about putting a ginormous 24 by 24 box right here. A lot harder than you think, a lot harder than it looks. Sounds really easy, just mark the holes and drill them, but there's a lot of measuring that goes into it. Have to get these all in order. Have to get these all measured out just perfectly. This is right here is about 23 and 5/8 inches or something, so the box is 24 inches, so there's like 3/8 of an inch left to spare, so super tight. So hopefully when we drill these out it all goes right, because even if you mark them out just right, when you're drilling it, if the drill bit just swirls a little bit to the left or to the right, it's going to throw everything off. So when we drill that out on Monday, hopefully everything goes right. I got the bottom measured out. I have to do the top, measure out the top and mark those. So I will show you the box here in a second, but as you remember, here's the electrical room right here. So there's going to be some giant flexes coming in into each panel from here. So these are the home runs, basically upstairs, 4th floor, all the boxes we just did in the last couple of videos. This is what we were working on. These boxes are in the hallway. This is the 3rd floor, but these pipes basically all do the same thing on every floor. There's going to be a junction box up in the attic on each floor, 3rd, 2nd, 1st, and they're all going to go into these electrical rooms. They're all in order. So the 4th floor electrical room is right there. 2nd floor and 1st floor are down there. So you may remember piping all this stuff. Actually, I didn't do this floor. I did 4th floor, I think. So some other guys did this floor. Actually, this is 2nd floor, so I apologize. But anyways, I did pipe the 3rd floor, and then some other guys did this floor. So a little different style, but same idea. Here's the home run boxes. Each one of these pipes go to a different room. So these ones go there, these ones go there, these ones go there. So I'll come show you the box. I'll try not to clip this out and I'll just try to make it one video, but super tired today. I don't know, after I went to lunch, it just went downhill real quick. Just super tired, but falling asleep almost. So here's the box right here. They're 24 by 24. So we measured these out, put all the lock nuts end to end, and then just tried to eyeball the center as close as possible. Measured it out. It looks like they're all pretty perfect. It's like a 1/16 under 1 3/4, so either 1 3/4 or 1/16 under that. So what is that? 12, 11, 1 and 11/16 to 1 3/4. So just gives us, I tried to space it out a little more on one side or the other, just to give me a little more room for the lock nuts. But basically the lock nuts are all intertwined, so if you have one here, the other one's here. So if you know what I mean, the teeth are all interlocked, so there's no extra space at all. So anyways, there's one of them. We have to measure the top row and then mark those out. So anyways, that's where we're going with the bottom row. And so anyways, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Super tired, but wanted to get you guys some content. Staying here super late to get it for you. So anyways, I think I'm going to do a giveaway video here after this video. So make sure to tune into that to try to win some prizes. Let me know what you guys want, and I'll go over that in the video. But thanks for stopping by, guys. I appreciate it. Have a great weekend. Stay safe. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Check out the description for social medias and all that stuff. Hit the 4,000 hour mark for the review of the monetization. So now all I need is 1,000 subscribers. So if you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I appreciate it, guys. I appreciate the support. Thanks to Christian and Jerry and who else? Daniel. Thank you guys for all the continued support daily, the comments, the likes, all that good stuff. You guys keep me going. Thanks for the positive feedback and comments. All right, guys, have a great weekend. See you tomorrow. Look out for the giveaway video. See you later. Bye.